Did you know you have a scanner in your pocket? I don't know if you did, but if you didn't, today I'm going to show you how to use it, and it's actually really easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt. Thank you for clicking on the video. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, the like button, all that good stuff for the YouTube algorithm. And let's get started. So, like I mentioned in the little intro, we all have a scanner in our pocket, whether we know it or not. And I'm talking about iPhones right now, so if you got an Android, sorry, this is for iPhone people only. But sorry, I gotta record the screen in a second. Okay, so we all have a scanner within the Notes application of our iPhones. So we're gonna hop in, and I'm just gonna do a short tutorial on how to use it, and I'm gonna get you on out of here. All right, so we're gonna open up the Notes app, okay? And the document or piece of paper that we're going to scan in this video is going to be my sushi receipt. Okay, I couldn't find another document for this example, but I tried this when I was prepping the video and it worked great. So all you're going to do, I'll put the video recording on the screen, but all you're going to do, you're going to click on the camera button down here and see where it says scan documents. Boom. Now you have this camera scanner thing open. So you point the camera at the document and you're gonna see that the yellow rectangle is tracking it, okay? And so now on the bottom left hand side of the screen, that's where my scan went, so I click on it, and now we can readjust some of the edges, because if you see, oops, down here you can kind of still see the table. Up here, like way up here, you can still see the table as well. So we click on this, and then bottom left, the square with the lines sticking out, that means we can crop it. And then you just grab the four corners and it'll show you a magnified version of what you're doing. So I want it to go right there, maybe, so that it doesn't get any of the table on the other side. So we do this side. Oops, now it's got that. There you go. Cool. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom. I'll put it maybe like that. And then I'll put this one right there. And then you hit done. And so now I've got a perfect scan of this receipt. Okay. And that's all there is to it. You can scan receipts, you can scan actual documents. Everything that you scan will come out readable and like clear. And then I just want to show you that when you're done, you hit done in the top left, and then you hit save in the bottom right, and there you have it in your notes. And you can see, if you notice, that it changed real quick. The scan actually tries to name it for you, and so the name of the restaurant is it got all messed up. I don't know if it was wet or something, but you can't see the whole entire name, but what it can see, that's what it named it to. So it's Crazy Rock instead of Crazy Rockin'. So that's pretty cool too. And then from here, you can share it or do whatever you want with it, same as you would a different document, right? And then one last tip I want to leave you with for this scanner is that it's going to be a lot easier to scan things that are contrasting. So if you noticed, white piece of paper, table is brown. It's the scanner technology is going to perform way better than if my table was white and I was scanning a piece of white paper, because now it's trying to figure out, where does your piece of paper end? Where should I cut it off, right? But if you got contrasting colors, so this, in my case, brown and white, then it's easy. It's like, okay, piece of paper is white, so it's not the brown part, so I won't cut off, or I won't scan that part, right? But that's all there is to it. You know, it's really simple. And I hope this is helpful for you, because I know that in this day and age, everything is electronic, and we're hardly using paper these days. And when you get paper, I don't know about you, but for me, I scan it, I throw the piece of paper away, because now I have an electronic version that's not going away. So you scan it, you save it where you want it to go, and then now you have the electronic version forever. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, consider sharing it with somebody that you might know who has some scanning issues. I don't know if any of us have scanning issues, but yeah, nonetheless, share it with somebody they think will find it helpful as well. Consider subscribing, hit the like button, notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.